1. Prerequisites. Before diving into React, ensure you have installation, bash, saw check ma, npm install React router DOM. Basic example, JSX. Import React from React. Import browser router as router. Route, switch, link from React router DOM. Function home. Return h1 homepage /h1. Function about. Return h1 about page /h1. Function app. Return router nav. Link to equals /home/link. Link to equals /about/link /nav. Switch. Route exact path equals /component equals home / route path equals /about component equals about / switch / router. Export default app. 12. State management. For managing complex application state, React offers tools like Context API and external libraries like Redux. Context API. The Context API allows you to share state across components without passing props down manually at every level. Example: JSX. Import React. Create context. Use context. Use state from React. Const user context equals create context. Function app. Const user. Set user equals use state, name, John Doe, age, 30. Return user context. Provider value equals user, profile / user context, provider. Function profile. Const user equals use context, user context. Return h1, name, $user, name, age, $user, age /h1. Redux. Redux is a powerful library for managing application state in a predictable way. Install Redux and React Redux. Bash. npm install Redux React Redux. Set up a store, reducers, and actions for state management. 13. Advanced hooks. A. Use reducer. Used for managing more complex state logic compared to use state. Example: JSX. Import React. Use reducer from React. Const initial state equals count 0. Function reducer state action switch action type case increment return count state count +1 case decrement return count state count 1 default return state. Function counter const state dispatch equals use reducer reducer initial state. Return div p count state count /p button on click equals dispatch type increment + /button button on click equals dispatch type decrement /button /div. B. Use memo and use callback. Use memo optimizes expensive calculations. Use callback memoizes callback functions. 14. Performance optimization. A. Code splitting. Use dynamic imports with React. Lazy and suspense for loading components only when needed. JSX. Import React. Suspense from React. Const lazy component equals React. Lazy equals import /lazy component. Function app. Return. Suspense fallback equals div loading /div lazy component / suspense. B. React Developer Tools. Install the React DevTools extension for debugging. C. Avoid re-renders. Use React Memo to prevent unnecessary re-renders of components. 15. Testing in React. Testing ensures your app works as expected. A. Unit testing with Jest. React comes with Jest, a testing framework. Bash. npm test. B. Component testing with React testing library. Install React testing library. Bash. npm install at testing library /react. Example: JSX. Import render screen from at testing library /react. Import app from /app. Test renders learn React link. Render app / const link element equals screen. Get by text /learn React /I. Expect link element to be in the document. 16. Deploying React apps. A. Deployment to Netlify. Build the app. Bash. npm run build. drag and drop the build/folder into Netlify. B. Deployment to Vercel. Install the Vercel CLI, bash, npm install gvercel. Deploy with, bash, Vercel. C. Deployment to GitHub Pages. Install the GHPages package, bash, npm install GHPages save dev. Add these scripts to package. JSON. Homepage, https:// your username, GitHub, io/your app. Scripts. Pre-deploy, npm run build. Deploy, GHPages dbuild. Deploy, bash, npm run deploy. 17. Additional learning resources. React official docs, Egghead, IO React tutorials, React patterns, books, React Up Running by Stoyan Stefanov. Learning React by Alex Banks and Eve Porcello. A basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Node.js and npm installed on your computer. You can download them from Node.js. 2. Setting up your environment. Install Node.js and npm. Verify installation. Bash, Node v, npm v. Install a code editor. Use a code editor like Visual Studio Code. 3. Create a React application. Use the command line tool Create React App to quickly set up a React project. Bash, npx create React app myapp. This command creates a folder named myapp with all necessary dependencies and boilerplate code. 4. Understand the project structure. src/folder contains your application code.